Tonight I'm going to show you one of our go-to meals for our air fryer, which is air fryer chicken and a baked potato. This is actually one of my son's favorite meals. When we eat other things, because he has a very limited palate, this is always his go-to. So I'm going to season both sides of this with seasoning, salt, and pepper, and then I'm going to flip it, do the same thing to the other side. And after we get these into the air fryer, I'm going to spray them so that the top can get a little brown. Now these are going to cook for 15 minutes on one side. I'm going to change the air fryer to 400 degrees. And after they have cooked for that 15 minutes, then we'll check on them and flip them and cook them some more. So believe it or not, you can cook a baked potato in the air fryer. So we're going to prick this with a fork. This is freshly cleaned and scrubbed because he actually eats the skin. And so after I finish pricking it, I'm going to sprinkle it with some salt. And after we put it into the air fryer, we're going to spray it with some vegetable oil. Now this is going to cook for a good 30 minutes. You can cook it, you can start it with 20 minutes, and then after the 20 minutes, we'll cook it for another 10 minutes. After the 15 minutes, this is what the wings look like. So I flipped them over, put them back in for another 9 minutes, and this is how his meal turned out. Now I gave him green beans because he's a green bean type of guy, but we are going to have Brussels sprouts, which we love in the air fryer. So we're going to sprinkle those with avocado oil and then some salt and pepper. That's all you need for now. So once we get those seasoned, then we're going to get those into the air fryer for about 12 minutes. Now, if you want yours charred like we do, you want to do a good 12 minutes. If you just want them cooked, you really only need to do about 10. So once those go in and come out, we like ours charred, as I said. We're going to sprinkle them with some balsamic vinegar glaze. This stuff is amazing. And that is it. Voila.